Hi, I'm David Gerard and this is Pivot to AI, coming to you once again with the sound of the suburbs in the background. It's a lovely day here in London, and today AI fails hard at its one job. The purpose of a system is what it does, and the purpose of generative AI is to oppress labour. That's it. That's the reason. That's why you get all this AI spam all the time. It's the business propaganda it looks like. You know this. That's every CEO who talks about replacing their staff with AI. That's why companies pour all this money into dreams of AI. Every time someone pleads, but GPT has good uses, like, sure, I could contrive some myself, but this is just bad excuses for the actual reason for the AI push. Like, you tell me why you think they're putting all that money in. The business press has dived headfirst into AI propaganda mode. Civil servants, creatives, customer service, journalists, lawyers, marketers, programmers, teachers, you name it. You'll all be replaced by a chatbot tomorrow, maybe. So stop asking for wages and conditions. Sam Altman from OpenAI is a genius at selling the sizzle. He says, "We're building the AI god." His funders know he means, "We'll totally replace your employees." But for all the sizzle, the sausage doesn't exist. For all the effort, all the ridiculous amounts of money, all the CEO mandates, all the claims that you will be replaced by an Excel macro with pretensions, the AI isn't actually doing anything. A new working paper by Anders Humlum and Emily Vestergaard states it bluntly, quote, "AI chatbots have had no significant impact on earnings or recorded hours in any occupation," unquote. Humlin and Vestergaard looked at 11 occupations that were allegedly targets for AI in Denmark, 25,000 workers in 7,000 workplaces. Denmark's a normal first world country. It has high chatbot uptake, comparable to the US, and it's got really good labour market data. So it's a good place to look at to answer this precise question. What has all this AI actually achieved? Numbers now. So what actually happens when your office goes full chatbot? You can get some work done faster, the quality's bad and you have to spend more time fixing it, or you externalize your costs onto another department. You save time, but you waste their time. Who hasn't done that? Quote, "Users report average time saving of just 2.8% of work hours," unquote. This is even as companies across the board are pushing chatbots on their workers as absolutely hard as they can in the desperate hope of replacing them. There's a lot of studies that claim stupendous productivity from AI. Humlum and Vestergaard call these out. Quote, "Many real-world workers do not operate under the same favourable conditions as those in experimental settings," unquote. That is, the experiments reporting huge success were rigged demos. They conclude, "Any account of transformational change must contend with a simple fact. 2 years after the fastest technology adoption ever, labour market outcomes, whether at the individual or firm level, remain untouched." Of course, you shouldn't expect this to slow down the AI push in the slightest. Businesses hate humans more than anything, and they keep falling for over-automation. They will destroy their own companies to drive out the humans and replace them with a machine that doesn't do the job. Nothing has changed. I should note also, I found this paper via Thomas Claiborne at The Register reporting it and speaking to Humlum. Claiborne seems to follow the new AI preprints, and he writes up the good ones a lot. So you should keep an eye on Thomas' AI stuff at The Register. Thank you for tuning in to Pivot to AI. If you're on YouTube, like and subscribe. On the podcast, leave a nice review and tell one other person about this episode. I have a Patreon where you can fund my work here while the AI market is not working and the tech market in general is in the toilet. So one day I'll have to remember that Kubernetes exists again, but not today. Thank you all, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.